Okay, part 2 unboxing. If you haven't watched part 1, go watch that. Okay, Press's turn.
Okay,
now.
so, hold on. Here.
Oh.
Me and Paisley both got these, like, cute flowers. And they'll
They're
match our
so
white Crocs.
preppy. Okay, and then next one. Okay, got them both out. Okay, so they match this. It's a P though. Both got this.
What the heck?
Okay, next one.
Are these, like,
Stars. They're really pretty.
Wait, I don't know if you
They're
can see
like
that.
glittery too. Okay, next charm is this. Next Shiva is this.
It looks like Vita.
We thought it really looks like Vita, and we thought it was really cute, which it is. Hang on, it's really cute. So that's why we got it. Okay, last but not least is
This is our favorite.
Grab it.
Hold on.
Actually, go to part 3.